Hey my beauty family, this is Valya, and in this video I will have for you this look, which is a beautiful glam New Year's Eve classic red lipstick look with gold brown eyes, the classic look that matters to almost all of the people. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my lovely Maybelline Express Brow in the shade medium brown ultra slim pencil. Many times I have shown that to you because it's my favorite eyebrow pencil. It is thin and it helps me to define my brows very nicely and easily, and from the other side it is full. Then I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me Maybelline the shade 20. I have continued with the same concealer and I have set it up my lids, and then over that I used my Mon Rêve compact powder, and now I'm ready to wear my shadows. In this video I will do a classic look, a classic brown gold for the eyes and red lips. It is my recommendation for you my friends for the New Year's Eve Glam tutorial. I'm gonna use my Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose and this palette, my classic favorite lovely palette. Taking this fluffy big brush, starting with this on the outer corner, which is a very nice light beige nude color, and with this I'm doing my crease, of course, as I always do. I love the palette because I have to say that I have done so many looks with that for all the circumstances. Evening, morning, glam, night, simple looks. I have done many looks with that. It is one of my first palettes that I really love, and I use it almost every day in my everyday makeup routine. I have applied that color. Then I will continue with with this, which is a very nice one undertone darker medium brown color, and with I will do an inner corner, the inner crease, and a little on the outer corner. I'm taking a fluffy brush a little smaller. I insist in the depth of the crease, as you see. And a little on the outer corner. Really love that color. These colors, warm tone colors, matches to almost all of you people. Almost all of you. And then I will take, the darkest, with this flat brush. I will take this, which is a very nice dark brown shadow, and with this I will do only my outer corner. And a little upwards, like a triangle. Of course, I turn it up on the inner corner. I really love this look. It is one of my favorites. This is the look that I'm gonna do, really, in my real life on the New Year's Eve night. Then I will take my Tommy T Fluff blending brush and I will do a very nice blending to all the shadows that I used. Of course, continue for the inner part of the lid with this flat, very flat brush, and I will take this, which is on the edge, a very nice gold shimmery shadow. I will apply it on the inner part of the lid. I love this gold brown color. Of course, under my brow bone area, I will use my infallible highlighter palette, which is this, and I will take this on the edge, which is a very nice light beige shimmery color, than to apply it on the underbrow area at my highlighter. Just a few coffee with my Christmas cup, as you have seen that I love it. While I work, I really need coffee because ending today's video and in this day I have so many appointments to do after I am uploading this video. As you see, we have Christmas in 3 days, so I'm in a hurry till the date night of the Sunday, oh no, Saturday, till the afternoon of the Saturday. Going to continue with my other eye and coming back. I will apply some eyeliner, the classic black line eyeliner on this look, which is my Maybelline Hyper Precise All Day Matte, and this is it, because it is an intense look and we need to wear eyeliner. I insist on that many times. My eyeliner is ready. Now I have to say that I will use with my little finger a little of that very sparkle shadow, gold sparkle shadow. I will use my middle finger to apply some over the other gold shadow. It is a very nice shadow, this beautiful sparkle shadow, more sparkle than the other. Maybe I use my little brush. Yes, beautiful sparkle shadow. Yes. Just to correct a little my eyeliner. And now we are going for our lash. In this video, I will use my Ardell double demi wispy lashes, and they are one of my favorite big thick lashes, especially suitable matching to the whole this look. Of course, before that I will use my Vortex Mon Revue Astonishing Lashes Mascara and my lash curl. So, going to wear my false lashes and coming soon back, my friends. My lashes are ready and I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer. Before, of course, the foundation, applying a very nice moisturizing. For me that I have a combo to dry skin, very nice primer. Always we use a base primer before we apply our foundation. It is a rule. With my fingers, of course. If you want to apply it with a brush, it is the same. L'Oreal Infallible 32 hours fresh wear. Mon Revue all day wear. These two foundations I'm gonna mix to do this whole look. And of course, taking my Real Technique Expert Face 200, I will apply on the back of my hand the foundation, and then I will continue with a beauty blender that I always do to have a very nice, well blending face. Of course, continuing with my NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and I will apply some of that on the inner part of the eye, on the outer corner, of course, on the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area, and some on the chin. And of course, I will apply all that product with my Beauty Wet Blender. Continuing with my Mon Revue Bronze Skin. This is a liquid bronzer, which I love very much. I have told you in the previous videos. I'm gonna apply that on the forehead, on the cheeks, of course, on the nose. It is very nice, and to apply that, it has a very nice cool toned color for the bronzer. And of course, I always apply my bronzer liquid product with my beauty blender. It's more easy for you, especially if you are a beginner. It is more easy for you to use beauty blender. And on the chin, of course, down on the neck, every product it has. The other part is to take my Stellar Moon Reef Liquid Highlighter, a very nice nude beige highlighter, which I'm applying with my finger on the cheekbone, of course. Very, very beautiful, shiny this product. I love Moon Reef on the nose. Very tiny product, and on the cupid bow. You can apply it even with a beauty blender, but sometimes the beauty blender absorbs the product, so I don't need that for the highlighter. A little on the nose and on the cupid bow. Now we are going to the powdered product. Starting to set up the under eye area. Of course, with loose powder, we have told many times that to set up the under eye area, we always use a powder, loose powder, not compact. Setup is very important to make your makeup look last during many hours in the day. Of course, and setting spray, I have told you. Taking another product, of course, from the loose powder, I'm gonna set up the whole face, and then I will use a compact powder. Anything you need. I think it is a very nice way, especially if you have an oily skin, to have to succeed a very nice matte effect. I'm using the most times and the two powders. And of course, taking my Moon Reef powder and my eyebrow 11 and setting up over the other product the whole face. But we have told that only on the underbrow area, on the under eye area, we use only loose powder. The compact powder is for the rest of the face. Taking MUA Bronze Perfection, my lovely bronzer, eyebrow 11. Blush, Canon highlighter, a very nice deep pink blush. A few of that on the cheek and on the nose. And infallible highlighter, very beautiful, the champagne color, of course the champagne color. Taking my beauty blender so I can mix up the whole colors to have a very nice bright effect, but soft. We don't need dark shadows on the cheeks, so we blend all the products together to have a very nice effect with our beauty wet blender. Coffee, I need that. I have many hours of appointment this day. And of course my suggestion for you with this look is my nails, which are the classic red with, in this detail, a little glitter. It is my recommendation for you. I don't think you can use another color, even gold. Red with gold, not other color for the nails. Doing what else? Ending up with the other eye area. Of course, we use all the shadows we have used on the above eye area, on the under eye area. Starting with the darkest brown and taking then the fluffy brush, the big fluffy brush with the crease shadow to smudge the very dark shadow. Don't ever forget the under eye area. anything we do on the upper eye area, on the lid, we do the same on the under eye area. Continuing with, on the inner lid, I'm using the gold shadow. Of course, on the waterline eye, on my opinion, use black liner, not other color. On this look, not other color, not brown, it will be disappeared, it will not look good, only black. Of course, my Voltex mascara on the waterline lashes, on the bottom lashes, just a few of that. I will not have mascara on the upper false lashes. It's enough. They are big lashes. We don't need mascara. And another tip for you is that when we use mascara on the upper lashes, on the false lashes, we can ruin them very quickly. So I leave them as it is because they are big as they are by natural. I use the mascara on my natural lashes and I wear my lash over them and they will look very, very nice and you can have them for many times. So we can keep them as they are. What else? Lips. The classic last step. Classic red lips. Elixir 053. On this look, yes, the only lipstick you can wear is the classic red. And of course, this beautiful Mon Reve 08 Irresistible Lips, which has this button. And yes, this is a very nice classic red lipstick. Any classic red lipstick you have. I think all persons have red lipstick. Excuse me. This is a satin red lipstick. I choose that because I love satin lips. I don't like matte and they are not suitable for the glam look. For a special event like this is New Year's Eve or Christmas. Matte looks are more for them very young age and especially for the routine, makeup routine, not for a special event. So I chose a very nice satin lipstick. And of course, the very last step is my Fiore Vita Makeup Fixing Spray because we have told that this is a step we cannot leave. It is important so we can have our makeup last during all the day. I'm taking some of the spray. My friends, this is my recommendation for you for the New Year's Eve glam look event. This is the look that you can wear only from the afternoon till evening, not in the morning. On this day, in the morning, if you want to do this look, you have to do the same eyes with false lashes more thin, not these very thick, the same eyes, but with a lipstick and undertone lighter or a nude lipstick, and you will have the same for the morning of this day, morning till noon. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. If you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!